Hey everyone! My name is Katie, and I am so happy to get to share with you today one of my very favorite books. This book is called I Am Enough, and it's written by Grace Byers and illustrated by Katura A. Bobo. I love the message in this book. So as you read it or hear it read to you, listen for the parts of this book that really make you feel good and feel strong and feel like you are enough. And that'll be such a great thing that you can talk with your grown-ups about after you read the book together. So let's check it out. I am enough. And grown-ups, what a great message for us to remember too, especially right now during the times that we're in where enough feels pretty elusive, doesn't it? So let this be for you too. Like the sun, I'm here to shine. Like the voice, I'm here to sing. Like the bird, I'm here to fly and soar high over everything. Like the trees, I'm here to grow. Like the mountain, here to stand. Like time, I'm here to be and be everything I can. Like the champ, I'm here to fight. Like the heart, I'm here to love. Like a ladder, here to climb, and like the air, to rise above. Like the wind, I'm here to push. Like a rope, I'm here to pull. Like the rain, I'm here to pour and drip and fall until I'm full. Like the moon, I'm here to dream. Like the student, here to learn. Like the water, here to swell. Like the fire, here to burn. Like the winner, I'm here to win. And if I don't, get up again. I know that I might sometimes cry, but even then, I'm here to try. I'm not meant to be like you. You're not meant to be like me. Sometimes we will get along, and sometimes we will disagree. I know that we don't look the same. Our skin, our hair, our eyes, our frame. But that does not dictate our worth. We all have places here on earth. And in the end, we are right here to live a life of love, not fear. To help each other when it's tough. To say together, I am enough. So sometimes something that I'll do from this book when I feel I'm having trouble with a big feeling, maybe I feel lonely because I miss my friends, or a little bit scared with everything that's going on right now, or just a little sad because we all have feelings and sometimes we just feel sad. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll take out my hand and I'll tap on my fingers and say to myself quietly, I am enough. I am enough. So maybe that'll be something that'll be helpful for you too. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope that you enjoyed getting to read something new, perhaps with a special grown-up, and I hope maybe you'll even have the chance to share this book with someone else that you love in your life. Take good care, everybody. Bye.